Yan na nakita nyo, dalawang gold wing for BIMC. Yan, here is at the front there is a biker base there. So this is the first time in BIMC 2 gold wings. Here is our first checkpoint. Ayan na, second checkpoint tayo dito guys. Ayan na, second checkpoint. Sa third checkpoint here in Vigan, marami sila already here na. So kami, chill ride lang kami. Another checkpoint, fourth checkpoint here in San Jasmira. So let's park here and do our stuff. And another checkpoint. So this is a Tugigarao checkpoint guys. This is our another checkpoint. Ayan. Another checkpoint na tayo ngayon. Ayan na, another checkpoint natin dito. Dito tayo guys sa Wiltec Cabanatuan. This is our 6th or 7th checkpoint. Our final checkpoint, the same place where we took off. Good afternoon guys, dito tayo sa Ironman. So we are actually doing the check the motorcycle and the other things, papers and everything they will check. Ito yung mga malupit na mga riders natin dito. Yan ang mga puro ADV boys lang. Ito kailangan dito, mga pila-pila kayo dito. Sir, good afternoon po. Nagawa tayo ng mga scrutining ng yung gold wing ni Biker Bay. Yan idol natin yan. Lagi busy yan, syempre.
Idol, akala ko Indian siya. Sabi ko nakabili ka na ng Filipino surname ha. Magkamukha na kayo ni Nads ka.
May balbas do.
Yes.
Yan na boys, ito yung lineup natin for today. Hindi bagbakan, dapat chill ride lang tayo. Dito kasama natin si Biker Bay lang sa Kalab. O yan, dito na yung mga lugar guys. Grabe, puno-puno na yung mga motor natin dito. Oh, ito mga idols natin from Cotabato, Black Hawk lang sa Kalam. Ano sabi natin si Shoaib?
Regards kay Swipe.
Ano sabi mo si Shoaib?
Mahina.
Walang kwenta.
Wala ko sinabi.
Puno-puno ni mga lineup natin dito. Puno-puno na yung motor dito guys. Win Mandibag. Ano brother? Takbo ka? Na kanina nakita ko takbo ka sa kalsada.
Sa kalsada lang.
Kalsada lang ka na takbo. Oh, was sa kalsada. Was sir, takbo. Oh. Ano brother Charlie? Kamusta bro?
Yeah.
Kamusta brother?
Yes, I'm good. So, ba't ka nandito?
Wala lang. Pagka-supportahan kita.
Motol number 1.
Motol number 1. Siyempre, motol number 1. Ayan na boys, the BIMC starting now. We are about to leave. Marami sila dito. So kita nyo, puno-puno na yung mga road dito. Marami sila dito. Kasama natin mga idols natin dito lahat. So let's roll. Let's go, marami sila oh. Lahat sila all ready to roll. Puno-puno na yung kalsada na yan. So chill ride lang tayo dito. Chill ride lang tayo.
Malapit yata sa yung checkpoint, hindi ko alam eh. Wala tayo ng map, sunod na lang ako sa kanila. Pero ito yung mga VIP group na take off yung una. So I think almost 250 or 300 all sa VIP, and we took off like maybe 50 plus. I think 50 plus. I can't find the biker bay. I don't know where he gone. He said wala daw siya ng gas. So hindi ko alam, tingnan natin. Nahintay natin siya doon sa first checkpoint. So ngayon hindi ko alam ng lugar, sunod na lang ako sa kanila. So wala tayo ng map. So let's go. Marami na tao sa kalsada. Ayun o, puno-puno na yung kalsada, mga tao. Ayan, happy sila lahat o. Ayan o, maraming tao. Happy sila yung mga kita ng marami ng motor ng isang lugar eh. Ayan. So konting bosina lang, happy na yan sila. Wala tayo ng bombahan dito sa motor natin eh, tahimik eh. tahimik na motor natin. So pag halimbawa Ducati yan or GS2, malakas yung tunog, pero wala tayo ng bomba, busina lang tayo. Ito no, marami ng tao. Ayan o, maraming tao dito. Ayan, happy na sila oh. So let's go. Ayan oh, racing din si kuya ng FJ Cruiser oh. 4-wheel takeoff, pero kasama na yung mga motor natin. Ayan oh, tingnan nyo. Maganda yung exhaust ni kuya, lakas. Ayan, puro sa kabilang line si kuya. Tayo, dito na lang tayo. Hindi lang na motor na ano sa Ironman na hataw, pati kotse rin syempre. Delikado talaga ng mga kasama natin ng ano yung kotse, because you don't know, he can just turn right or left. Dito na lang tayo, bahala na siya. Yung kotse, dito na lang tayo sa line natin. Oh, dito ano, ayun oh. Takot yung mga rider oh, tingnan nyo. Oh, mundik na. Nalubong siya talaga, puro yun na lane na talaga. Kita nyo tayo, chill ride lang tayo. Syempre, you have to, you know, follow the rules and everything. Pero nakita nyo, meron ng dalawang kotse sa harap. Grabe talaga. Kanina isa, ngayon dalawa. They are overtaking all the motorcycles. And grabe, sobrang ano, danger. So I think next time everybody is same. Kahit na kotse, kahit na motor, they have to follow the rules, same rules. Sobrang tulin, bala na sila oh, dalawa. Tapos puro yung kabilang line lang sila, puro counterflow. Delikados. Oo, takot na talaga sila ng mga rider oh. Sobrang hataw ng mga kotse. Try lang tayo. 100, 110, kita nyo, 110, 120, 100. Yun lang. Chill lang. Chill ride lang. Chill ride. Ooh. Siyempre, chill ride tayo. Tulog ti asawa eh. So, wag tayo ng ano, gisingin. Here is our first checkpoint. First checkpoint na tayo dito.
Oh, dito sa bulsa be. Open mo.
Idol match. Ay, ayaw. Boss, sticker ma'am. Meron ka ni sticker.
Wait lang, doon na lang ako stop. After na to, after na passport.
Idol, idol. Picture.
Sir.
Okay na. Okay na?
Ano, wala na stamp?
Wala, doon sa loob.
Sa loob ba?
4 na beses yung chicken.
Ah, ganun? Sir, hi, hi. Hello sir, hello, hello. Hi po, hi po. Ayan o. Hi po, hi po. Sino yun? Bago ko ito, putang ina yan. Bobang gago namang ano, throttle oh. Hindi. Saan tayo? Bro. Saan ito? Saan eh?
Dito.
Ayo, yan pala, dito pala.
Masulat ko ng name, yung number ko.
Yan, no?
Ay, name, date, time po dyan.
Ano yung kailangan natin?
Ano sir, paboran na lang. 11:58. 1:74.
Yan na boys, here we are with our Senator Bato and the team. As you can see in front of me, there is Senator Bato and his team is riding. I think the James is there and so many of them. So on the first checkpoint we met Senator Bato and the team. Then we left and they are here now. Let's roll. Ayan na, second checkpoint tayo dito guys. Ayan na, second checkpoint. Stop na lang ako dito Bea, para pahinga tayo dito konti.
Yan, sobrang dami na po nila. Hindi na mabanggit ang kanila pong mga numbers. Welcome na lang po natin sila sa Baknotan. Ito Sir Nats.
Sir. Okay na. Mamaya na. Pahinga tayo konti. Okay yan B. Relax ka muna, baba ka.
Palatak na lang po dito sa administration area.
Now boys, this is our second checkpoint. We finish our checkpoint here. And now General Kamote also joining with me. He is there.
Daming tao.
And let's roll. Maraming tao dito. Oh. Hindi, wala. Yan, here is mga malupit oh. Maraming tao dito. Yan. Puno-puno na yung mga tao dito.
Siya ba yung likod? Sa third checkpoint here in Vigan, marami sila already here na. So kami chill ride lang kami. So hindi na andok. Asama, andok ka ba? Hindi andok ko, syempre. Sama lang sa kalam. Kami dito sa third checkpoint. So next trip to going to Pagod Port and
Idol, bomba! Tirahin mo! Bakit popcorn? Tirahin mo, kantay mo pa, Idol!
bro.
Mr. Waswas!
Ha! Alex!
Idol, tirahin mo, kantay mo sila na!
Sige bro. Sige.
Bawal na waswas, ha?
Ha.
Bawal na waswas. Kasama si Mrs. Kailangan, safe yan, safe. Ingat.
Ingat. Yan, tapos na kami dito. So diretso sa another place, guys. So let's go. Third checkpoint going to fourth checkpoint. Dito yung Vigan, yun. Ayun o, Vigan na tayo. So let's roll. Another checkpoint, fourth checkpoint here in Sanjas Mira. So let's park here and do our stuff. Mga malupit na, dito na sila lahat. Sir,
Passport, ha? Soy white.
ha?
Passport. Magpa-stamp. Dun sa white.
Okay.
Si Alfred.
Kami sa Sanjas Mira. Tapos na yung yung passport natin. Tapos diretso kami sa Tugigaraw. Mga 200 km yata from here. So lahat sila dito. So chill ride lang tayo. Marami yata ng DQ eh. Nasabi nila 3 yata ng DQ dito kanina. So hak tayo ng DQ. Sayang. So let's go. Kapo is here, guys. Kapo lang sa kalam. Kapo lang sa kalam.
Okay na be? Chill ride lang kami. Breakfast, mga kain-kain sa kalsada, mga ganyan lang kami ng ride today. So hindi kami na waswas. Walang waswas, marami na mga DQ daw. So kala kami puro food trip lang kami dito sa Boss Ironman. Pero dito kami ngayon, San Jasmira, naka 6:30 kami sa San Jasmira. So next will be in Tuguegarao. So let's go. In another checkpoint. So this is a Tuguegarao checkpoint, guys. So Tuguegarao checkpoint na, dito na tayo. So let me go and get the passport again here. Wait. Is our another checkpoint. Ayan. Another checkpoint na tayo ngayon. Doon na lang be, para hindi ka nainit. Doon na lang ako park. Ayun lang. This was our Echage checkpoint. Maraming tao dito. Init-init pa pero nahinday-hinday pa sila dito. So next checkpoint is somewhere, I don't know the place name, bala na. So from here 140 plus kilometer. So pagod-pagod ng asawa ko. Andok-andok, tulog-tulog. Kanina pa tulog-tulog. Sana all tulog pa sa motor pa. So let's roll. Let's go. Marami sila dito. Ha? Ayan, let's go. Ayan, let's go. So next checkpoint na. Next checkpoint na tayo. So
Let's go. Marami ng marshal din sa kalsada. Maganda yung BIMC. The problem is, you know, whatever you do, whatever you rule you put, there is always accidents happen talaga. Microphone mo be, angat mo. So always there is accidents happening talaga. So I think today, I don't know how many accidents happen. And like I mentioned earlier in my vlog, that you know, not only motorcycle are doing the, you know, fast ride, four wheels were doing so crazy on the road kanina. So there are so many things when it's come to public road. So many things we have to check and understand. So for me, after 6 years, I joined this one because, you know, my wife, she never you know, rode in Ironman. So I thought I will just join for this time to show her how the Ironman works. What we did is, we just go around. Now is 11 o'clock already. We just chill ride and going some places and eating some places. That is what we did. All the checkpoints we pass by, we sit there, we meet people, and we had foods there, coffee, baga iba-iba. So para hindi lang ng papunta sa checkpoint tapos permana, tapos takbo agad-agad takbo. We did is, we go in all the checkpoints, we pahinga there. Sometimes wala na mga we are not in a hurry. We just spend our time some places, eating some places on the way, and we are riding this way. So she will have an experience riding 1,300 plus kilometer for maybe 18, 90 or 20 hours. Unlimited ride, unlimited banking. Yan ang mga idols natin, you know. So that's what we did. So marami sila ng tanong, maraming bases how this you know, Ironman is danger or what. The thing is, whatever the organizer do, there will be people are just trying to go speed. They are so fast. Syempre sa gabi na wala ng tao, so marami na mga excited na mga bystander. They are watching all your rides and everything. So rider din so excited. So it's happening. Actually it's happening. It's not really that good. Riding in BIMC is problem talaga, because kahit na ikaw sobrang timing lang ng ride mo, but some of them, they will just come and hit you. Yan na nakita nyo, dalawang gold wing for BIMC. Yan, here is at the front, there is a biker base there. So this is the first time in BIMC 2 gold wings. Bring the latest Honda gold wing to BIMC. So we are actually here near in Baler. Puro sigsag lang dito. So we are almost reaching to the last checkpoints. So 2 more checkpoints to go. So we waited for him. He was lost somewhere kanina, so we waited for him. He just arrived, and now we are riding together to going back to Subic. So mabait yan si Biker Bay, guys. Please follow nyo na lang yung page nya. Sobrang bait ng tao, very down to earth. walang arte-arte, wala na mga flex-flex, wala na mga yabang-yabang dito. Bait na tao. So here we are, konting bangging-bangging dito sa lugar. So yan, at the front he also doing some banking with the gold wing. So let's roll. Ayan na, another checkpoint natin dito. So this is our 7th or 8th checkpoint, sir.
Bata, mga bata. Bernard.
Sir, wait lang, sir. Wait lang.
Sige po.
Bernard.
Sige po. Na dito tayo guys sa Wiltec Cabanatuan. This is our 6th or 7th checkpoint, and one more checkpoint to go, that is in Subic. So this is outside from Subic. So traffic talaga dito sa Cabanatuan. So kailangan natin na sa labas. Maraming tao dito. Galing talaga si Rosco. Ganda. Ganda dito, no? Lahat ng mga brand dito. Triumph, Aprilia, Vespa, lahat. Honda, lahat dito. So dito yung one more checkpoint to go. Maraming tao dito. So dito si Biker Bay, ready to roll. Let's go. Yan, let's go guys. Sobrang traffic dito.
Nice ride.
So yan, ito yung mga lugar, oh. Maraming talaga sila. Marami talaga sila dito.
Lampunisa at ST90.
Ayan, puno-puno na yung tao dito.
Set 5.
Okay bro,
Ang Team Epo.
so let's go. Our final checkpoint, the same place where we took off. So let's go and take some pictures and verify natin sila. Saan bro? Ha?
Diretso.
Ayan, dito yung verification nila. Ayan na boys, finish the Ironman after 6 years. I ride with my wife again for this Ironman, and if you ask me if you want to do it again, for me, no, this is, I just did for my wife to experience. She was wondering so many times I came here for send off to my friends, and she was wondering what is actually about this, you know, Ironman thing. So I asked her earlier if she going to join again this one, if she want to join, and she said no. So me too, for me, this is nothing to prove that you can ride us. This is for us, me and the wife, just a piece of cake. When we riding a, you know, Philippine tour, most of the time we ride almost 1000 kilometer a day, so minimum 700 kilometer a day. So for me,
this is just I did because this is a 24 hours thing, and it's a night ride and everything. So I just show her actually what's happening on the road, what actually all about this Ironman. So she understood, and I asked her if she want to join again, and she said no. So for me also, this will be my last Ironman thing, but I will support if they have new changes, new rules and everything. I will support them, but there should be so many things have to be changed here, because this is all happening on the public road. So kahit na, like I said earlier, even they make all the rules but people are not following. So I think they have to come up with a new strategy for this next year Ironman. So let's see how it goes, but I will be there for all the time to support all our friends, our biking buddies, all people. But it was nice. For after 6 years, it was nice. Total we ride 1410 kilometers. So 1400, actually 18 kilometers. As you can see, my trip although is 1418 kilometers we ride. That is a total, that is a exact although whoever ride today for the Ironman, 1418 kilometers in 24 hours. So it was nice, and so many of them coming back, as you can see. So people are coming back, they just finished riding, coming back, and now is 7 o'clock. Yesterday the ride started by 9:30, 9 o'clock actually. So let's see how many DQs happen and all the things when they post. So congratulations boss, and congratulations to all finishers, and sorry for all the DQ boys. And I sad to say, and there are so many incidents happen, and I am sorry, and so get well soon if you have injuries, and I will see you on my next vlog. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.